Get this over here. All right, we do 5th grader.
So we got Shane in 1 and 2, Gidio in 3. Just close that down.
Oh, freaking shit's all hacked.
Shane 1 and 2, Gidio in spot 3, and then Luke in spot 4.
4 is no good. That's all I got. 4 again is no good. 11. Number I hate. Fucks me every time on minis and anything. Alright, final round. Got east on top, west in 2nd, south in 3rd, and 4th north. So
take a picture real quick here.
Shane has east and west, Gidio has south, and Luke has north. Yeah, put this code up here. Let's do this. Yeah. Alright, I'll make a post on this.
All right, guys.